Hi, in this video, we'll see uh, how to insert different charts. Okay, so I'm going to click, uh, I'm opening a document, I'm going to insert, I'm going to have a chart option. Okay, so I have opened already, so it's showing. Please close this option. So I'm just closing it first. Now opening. Okay, so I'm going to insert and chart option. See here which chart you want to select, right? So example, there are different charts options are there, right? That column chart, line chart, pie chart, right? And bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, stock chart, surface, radar chart, tree map charts, sunburst chart, histogram chart, okay, waterfall chart, combo chart. So which chart you want to use? Example, you want to use this uh, histogram. Okay, so just clicking histogram or sunburst. So this is a like normal used people use, right? So column set. So I just do the column set and I click insert it. This is what happened. Now the automatically the chart section came automatically with the Word document. Now here the beauty of this Word document, this document is system is showing in the Excel also, like what category. Example, you want to make some mathematics mark, right? So example, math, English, and physical science. Uh, okay, others, okay, or language. Okay, this is a mark. So who is the mark? Example, Ram. Okay, it's example Krishna, maybe Muhammad. Okay, or Rahim. Okay, so here you see, I just clicked it here. I'm just this is the data right created. I'm going to see the chart option. Just see here. Here, this is what I created, right? I created Ram, Krishna, and it's showing the mark also. Example, Ram, it's showing. It will take the cursor into here. So it's showing English and the value, right? So if you want to change it, let's see. So I'll go to the edit data. Okay, so this is going to edit data. Okay, so this is the data we wrote, right? So here you can change it the data. Example, this you just write 50, 60, no, 70. So here, just see here, when I wrote, it's sending automatically, right? Here, 80, okay, 45, then example 60. So here, example 99, okay, here, example 100, out of 100, Mohammed here is 90, 100, and Rahim was 99. Okay, so language it's a little difficult, so I'm not give this many mark. So example, okay, 90, 99, 99, 108. Okay, okay, it's mathematics I can give 100, 99, 70, and 100. Okay, so example here I gave 16. So you can select, you can define, see here, when changing this mark itself, the graph itself, it can change, right? Right? You are seeing, right? See here. So this is how to do the insert the chart. And there are different charts options are available. You can use your own chart as per your requirement. Okay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel and share with your friends. And you can go to my playlist and you can see the, you can watch the all the series video. Okay, see you in my next video. Thank you.